In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the composition background color in After Effects. If you've ever wanted your composition preview to sit on something other than the default gray or the transparency grid, this is the quickest way to do it. Start by opening the composition settings. You can find this in the top menu under composition, then composition settings, or by using the shortcut Ctrl or Command plus K. That shortcut is a real time saver because you'll use this panel a lot for things like resolution, frame rate, and duration, not just color. Inside the composition settings window, look for the background color section. You'll see a color swatch there. Click it to open the color picker and choose the hue you want as your backdrop while you work. You can drag around the color field, adjust brightness and saturation, or enter exact values if you're matching a brand color. Think about contrast here. Pick something that helps you judge edges, shadows, and transparency accurately against your layers. If you're compositing elements with alpha channels, a mid-tone background can make fringing and matte issues much easier to spot than pure white or black. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK in the color picker, then click OK again to close the composition settings. Immediately, your composition panel will refresh and you'll see the new background color behind your layers. Nothing about your actual layers or effects changes. This is simply a visual aid inside the workspace to make designing and reviewing easier. Here's a crucial note to keep in mind. This background color is for preview only. It will not appear in your final render. Think of it as setting the color of the canvas you're working on, not painting the canvas itself. If you export now, you'll still get transparency if your format supports an alpha channel, or you may see black if it doesn't. If you need a visible background in the final video, you'll have to include a real layer, such as a solid placed beneath your artwork. A couple of helpful tips as you work. This setting is per composition, so if you switch to a different comp, you can set a different preview background there too. If the change doesn't look right, make sure you're viewing the correct composition and try toggling the transparency grid to compare how your edges read. Also, depending on your color management or bit depth, the on-screen preview might vary slightly across monitors, so always judge with that context in mind. That's it. Open composition settings, choose a background color, confirm with OK, and remember it's a preview tool, not a rendered